Good morning, Christmas. I don't know if anybody can see that, but it's a little female woodpecker. This is the one I found after we had like 50, 60 mile an hour winds. It has a broken wing, and I named it Christmas because I found it the day after Christmas. Can't really see her that well, but she's friendly. She gets on my hand. She doesn't have the bird flu. So, yeah, she's really cute. Look outside. Yeah, I need to clean these windows today. Nice little pond. I'm going to ask the neighbor this spring if they have any fish in there, if they mind someone going fishing. Let's see if I can get a closer look at her. She's shy, but yeah, she'll get on my finger when I give her some food. Sorry, I'm shaky, but that's it for now. I'll try to get a video. It's supposed to be like 25 degrees today, so that will be nice. But anyway, Sandy Boots out.